Welcome back to the channel. Ever wonder which yeast truly makes the best mead? Today we're diving into the world of mead fermentation with 20 unique strains that could take your mead to a whole new level. In this ultimate guide, we'll uncover how different yeasts impact your mead's aroma, flavor, sweetness, and strength. From the tried and true classics like Lalvin 71B to D47, to versatile options like Mangrove Jack's MO5 and the powerhouse Lalvin EC 1118. We'll also explore a range of ale yeasts that bring new possibilities to braggots and semi-sweet meads. Plus, we'll cover additional specialty strains like Lalvin ICV D254 and Wyeast 4021, Red Star Côte de Blanc, and Lalvin RC212, which can add even more depth and flavor to your meads. And if you're wondering which yeast is best for your unique recipe, use my Yeast Selector tool to craft perfectly balanced mead every time. You'll see a link in the pinned comment and in the description. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which yeast to choose for your next batch. Whether you're aiming for a crisp, dry finish, a sweet floral profile, or a bold, high ABV masterpiece. So let's dive in and discover the perfect yeast to elevate your mead. But before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe to support this channel and to get more mead making content. First, we have Lalvin 71B-1122 yeast. This fast fermenter is perfect for fruity meads and melomels. It's known for its ability to metabolize malic acid, which softens acidity. 71B-1122 is ideal for high acid fruit musts, with moderate attenuation and an ABV tolerance around 14%. It enhances fruit flavors with tropical and berry notes, making it a top choice for meads needing a fruity, balanced finish. If you're aiming for that perfect fruit profile, my Yeast Selector tool can help you match your recipe with just the right yeast. Next is Lalvin D47, a slower fermenter, great for traditional meads, metheglins, and sizers. With high attenuation and an ABV tolerance of about 14%, D47 brings out floral and citrus notes like peach and apricot. It's ideal for meads with floral or herbal additions, as it preserves delicate aromas without overpowering them. Next, we have my favorite, QA23, known for its nutrient uptake, low volatile acidity production, and high glycerol content, creating a smooth mouthfeel with an ABV tolerance of about 16% and high attenuation. A QA23 enhances honey's floral, citrus, and mineral notes, making it a great choice for sweet meads, sizers, and complex floral meads. Lalvin K1V-1116 is a robust choice for high ABV meads. It's a fast, strong fermenter, capable of resisting low pH conditions, making it reliable for high alcohol meads, traditional meads, and melomels. With an ABV tolerance of 18%, K1V-1116 produces low esters, keeping the honey character pure. Moving to Lalvin EC 1118, known for its vigorous fermentation and tolerating low temperatures, this yeast can reach ABVs of around 18%. With very high attenuation, EC 1118 has a neutral profile that lets the honey flavor shine. Often used for high alcohol and sparkling meads, it ferments to dryness and withstands secondary fermentation. Keep in mind that EC 118 can sometimes blow aromatics out of the airlock, so it's best for meads where a clean finish is desired. Following EC 118 is Mangrove Jack's MO5, specifically developed for mead. This moderate fermenter preserves honey flavors well and has low sulfur production for a cleaner finish with slight floral notes. With an ABV tolerance of 18% and moderate to high attenuation, MO5 is perfect for traditional floral and semi-sweet meads, enhancing honey and floral elements. And as always, my Yeast Selector tool can help you choose the right yeast to bring out exactly the flavors you want. Lalvin ICV-D254 is up next. This moderate fermenter enhances mouthfeel and structure, with an ABV tolerance around 14 to 15% and moderate attenuation. It imparts subtle, nutty, spicy aromas, hints of dried fruit, making it ideal for complex traditional meads where additional depth and body are desired. Wyeast 4021 dry wine yeast offers a high ABV tolerance of around 16% and strong resistance in challenging conditions. Known for producing a clean, dry finish with minimal esters, 4021 is excellent for dry, high-alcohol traditional meads. Next up, Red Star Côte de Blanc is a slower, gentle fermenter with a moderate ABV tolerance of about 12 to 14%. This yeast emphasizes fruity and floral aromas and enhancing the honey profile. It's a great option for sweet and semi-sweet meads, providing a smoother aromatic finish. Lalvin RC212, another fantastic yeast for fruity meads, especially melomel. With an ABV tolerance of about 14 to 16%, moderate attenuation, RC212 brings out berry flavors and adds slight earthy character, making it perfect for berry melomels and meads where rich mouthfeel is desired. Switching gears, we look at Wyeast 1388 Belgian Strong Ale, which brings fruity esters and phenols, adding a mild clove and phenolic character. With an ABV tolerance of 12%, 1388 is great for Belgian-inspired meads and semi-sweet meads. Next up, we have Red Star Premier Cuvée, which is a fast, clean fermenter with an ABV tolerance of 18%. Known for minimal ester production, Premier Cuvée offers a clean, crisp finish, making it ideal for high-alcohol meads and sparkling styles. Next up is Wyeast 4632 Dry Mead Yeast. It's a high ABV tolerance and very clean fermentation, emphasizing honey's natural flavor. With low ester production and high attenuation, 4632 is an excellent choice for dry traditional meads. Let's look at some ale yeast. Wyeast 1056 American Ale and White Labs WLP001. Both are California ale yeast. They both deliver a high, clean, crisp profile with low ester production. Ideal for braggots and dry traditional meads. With moderate to high attenuation, an ABV tolerance of 11%. These yeasts allow honey flavors to shine. Next up, White Labs WLP005 British Ale Yeast has a slightly estery, malty profile, adding complexity to braggots and semi-sweet meads. With an ABV tolerance of about 10% and moderate attenuation, it offers mild fruity esters and a hint of malt, enhancing semi-sweet meads with subtle fruitness. Next, we have SafAle SO4 English Ale Yeast, which is a quick fermenter and with good flocculation and producing mild fruity notes. It has an ABV tolerance of around 10 to 12% and moderate to high attenuation, adding subtle fruitiness and body to braggots and traditional meads. Next, we have SafAle US05 American Ale Yeast, which offers a clean fermentation profile with low esters. It's ideal for dry, crisp meads. It has high attenuation with a high ABV tolerance of about 12%. US05 lets honey flavors dominate without fruity esters. Next is White Labs WLP720 Sweet Mead Wine Yeast. It's a slower fermenter that retains residual sweetness, suited for dessert-style meads. With an ABV tolerance of about 15%, low to moderate attenuation, WLP720 preserves sweetness with light honey notes and fruity esters. And finally, White Labs WLP099 Super High Gravity Yeast has an impressive ABV tolerance of about 25% with very high attenuation and a neutral profile. WLP099 is ideal for extremely high ABV fortified meads, letting you craft bold, strong meads without compromising on a clean finish. So remember, if you're still unsure which yeast will best suit your mead, my Yeast Selector tool will help you craft the perfectly balanced mead every time. Check it out. The link is in the description and also in the pinned comments. Thanks for watching. And if you found this deep dive into mead yeast helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more mead making insights. For more information about mead, watch some of my other videos over here. They'll help you out a lot. Thanks for watching and happy mead making.